These 7 types of AI can largely be understood by examining 2 encompassing categories. There's AI capabilities and there's AI functionalities.
Have you ever wondered why discussions about artificial intelligence often focus on just 3 out of the 7 forms of AI? In today's video, we'll unravel the reasons behind this selective spotlight, exploring the significance of narrow AI, general AI, and superintelligent AI in the broader AI landscape. As artificial intelligence grows, it is essential to comprehend its various facets. Although there are other classification schemes, we will examine a 7-type system that is subdivided into 2 overarching categories: AI capabilities and AI functionalities. We will initially concentrate on artificial narrow intelligence, often known as weak AI, which is the first capability in the world of capacities. AI capabilities. This category describes the cognitive capacities, thinking and comprehending levels of an AI. Let's examine the 3 kinds that comprise them. Artificial narrow intelligence, often known as weak AI, comes first. The most common AI that we now come across is this one. Although ANIs are more proficient than humans at some tasks, their skills are extremely specialized and constrained. Consider AI that can translate languages, recognize faces, and play chess. It concentrates on a specific or limited set of duties. Neither general intellect nor problem-solving ability are present in them. Within their field, they are extremely precise and effective, frequently outperforming humans in terms of speed and accuracy. Their capacity for learning and adaptation is limited. While ANIs are capable of learning and adapting in their own domains, they are unable to pick up new skills or apply what they know to unfamiliar circumstances. Let's now explore the topic of artificial general intelligence. This fictitious category depicts an artificial intelligence that is able to comprehend and carry out any intellectual work that a human can. It would essentially be a thinking machine with a wide range of cognitive capacities. With their broad problem-solving abilities, AGIs may take on new challenges, absorb knowledge from a variety of sources, and use it in a variety of contexts. They would be able to reason logically, comprehend difficult ideas, and create strategies for achieving objectives. Some suggested AGIs may even be capable of self-awareness and consciousness. However, this is still quite theoretical. As of right now, AGI is still only a theory, and no such system exists. Imaginary representations are provided by fictional characters like Ava from Ex Machina and HAL 9000 from 2001: A Space Odyssey. Strong AI, or artificial general intelligence, is still a speculative topic that fascinates scientists, philosophers, and the general public. It stands for the ultimate objective of AI research, which is to build an intelligent machine that is able to carry out any intellectual work that a human can. AGI wouldn't be constrained by domain expertise, in contrast to artificial narrow intelligence, which is best at particular activities. Not every task would require explicit programming in an AGI system. It would pick up new abilities, grow from its experiences, and always be able to do more. As we pointed out earlier, a key component of the AGI ideal is self-directed learning. AGI creation is confronted with numerous formidable obstacles. What is intelligence? In AI, how do we quantify it? Attaining AGI becomes a changing target in the absence of a precise definition. Some argue that in order for AGI to be truly advanced, consciousness, which is still largely unknown in humans, much less in machines, might be necessary, because AI systems pick up knowledge from the data they are educated on. There may be ethical issues and pre-existing prejudices that are perpetuated. It is essential to make sure AGI functions in a fair and inclusive manner. AGI might revolutionize businesses and have a significant social impact if it were to be realized. AGI could improve decision-making, automate difficult jobs, and spur innovation in industries like manufacturing and healthcare. They might aid in the search for answers to urgent problems like poverty and climate change. As artificial intelligence develops, our relationships with technology will change as it can work together and comprehend things more deeply. Artificial superintelligence is next. In this more theoretical approach, artificial intelligence is said to surpass human intellect in every way, possibly even going beyond our cognitive capacities. They are not capable of understanding human thought. Compared to human, ACs would be incredibly more powerful in terms of processing speed, memory, and problem-solving abilities. We don't know how far an AC can go. It might even go beyond what we currently know about intelligence. Thoughts regarding AC's possible effects on humans frequently veer into existential and philosophical territory, keeping it entirely hypothetical. AC presents a picture of computers that may not only outsmart humans in terms of intelligence, but also acquire consciousness, feelings, and autonomous objectives. Let's explore this intriguing but uncharted area. Human cognitive limitations would not apply to ASI. Its processing speed, memory, and problem-solving abilities would be far superior. Imagine being able to solve global problems with almost instantaneous foresight, solve intricate scientific puzzles in milliseconds, or even investigate abstract ideas that are beyond the reach of human cognition. Some theoretical theories suggest that AC could be conscious, meaning it could be aware of its own existence and skills. This opens a Pandora's box of ethical and philosophical questions. Would such an entity experience emotions like joy, fear, or even existential angst? Given its enhanced cognitive abilities and possible consciousness, AC may have interests beyond gratifying human craving. It might form its own objective, drives, and worldview, which might deviate from or even clash with those of human. Large volumes of data that have been handpicked by humans are needed for AI today, and AI may someday exceed its reliance on human knowledge and data as it continues to learn and develop at an accelerated rate. The uses and consequences of this kind of independence are still unknown. The potential uses for ASI are as endless as its theoretical potential. Imagine working with a superintelligence to eradicate illnesses, combat climate change, or launch an intergalactic exploration mission. Beyond our current capacity to imagine, AC has the potential to drive innovation and transform sectors such as materials science, medicine, and perhaps the essence of human existence. Who bears responsibility for the acts of ASI? How can we be sure that its creation and implementation follow moral guidelines? If there is a route to ASI, it is still far off and unclear. The potential of such a being is beyond our current comprehension of intelligence and consciousness. Consequently, it is crucial to approach AC research responsibly and cautiously to reduce potential hazards and make sure that, should AC be realized, it serves the greater good of humanity. Open communication, cross-disciplinary collaboration, and strong ethical frameworks are crucial. Together with an open mind, a critical eye, and a dedication to responsible development, let's explore this unexplored terrain. We may get ready for a future in which superintelligence, if it materializes, can live alongside human and work together for a better tomorrow. Being aware of the promise and dangers of ASI, the exploration of this frontier is both daunting and exciting, urging us to continually expand our understanding of intelligence and its implications for the future of humanity. This 7-type framework, complete with functionalities and capacities, offers a versatile lens through which to examine the varied field of artificial intelligence. Future talks will cover the remaining categories, giving us a more complete understanding of this constantly developing field and its possible effects on the globe. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to stay connected with our journey through the world of innovation. Feel free to share your thoughts and comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Stay tuned for more exciting insights into the world of technology and innovation.